Hey, third graders, welcome to this week's homework, which is looking at our order of operations. Remember, order of operations is just a fancy way of saying we are going to tell you exactly the order that we want you to solve these problems in. Now, remember, the first thing that we're going to do is parentheses. Exponents would come next, but for our purposes, we are not doing exponents yet. That's something that you're going to pull into your work in fifth grade. Then we're going to multiply and divide. Remember that these are on the same level, so you're going to do them in the order that you see them. If multiplication comes first, you multiply first. If division comes first, you divide first. Same thing with add or subtract. We're going to do both in the order that they appear. Okay, so they are the same level. They happen at the same time. And with that, let's jump into our first question. So for these level one questions, there are no parentheses. You will see them later on in the week in further levels, but for this one, there's no parentheses. So we're going to start with multiply and divide. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and find that in the question. So I have 5 times 4. That's the only thing that would be in this level. 5 times 4 is 20. Remember to rewrite, then add and subtract. I have a subtraction symbol and an addition symbol. So at this point, I'm going to do them as I see them, okay? So 20 take away 2 is 18. 18 plus 16 gives me 34. 34 is my final answer. Again, 20 minus 2 is 18. 18 plus 16 is 34. On to our next problem. Start with multiply and divide. We only have multiplication here. 6 and 4 is 24. Rewrite, bringing in everything that we have. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 plus 24 is 27. When we do these, they should start to look like an upside down pyramid or triangle. For this one, we do not have any multiplication or division. So we're going to start front to back, adding and subtracting. 18 plus 13 is 31. Rewrite. 31 minus 5 is 26. Rewrite. 26 plus 18 is 44. 44 is my final answer. In this one, I have one multiplication or division. 3 times 6 is 18. Rewrite, bringing down everything I haven't used yet. 18 minus 4 is 14. Rewrite, 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 is the final answer for that one. Here we have a multiplication. 2 times 8 is 16. Rewrite, bringing down everything that I have. 7 plus 19 is 26. 26, take away 16 is 10. 10 is our final for that one. This next one, we don't have any multiplication or division, so we're going to add and subtract in the order that we see it. 7 minus 4 is 3. Rewrite. 17 plus 3 is 20. Rewrite. 20 plus 4 is 24. That's my final. That's the end of page 1, level 1. If you are ready for the next set, hang tight because here they come. All right, kiddos, welcome to level 2, page 2 homework, where we are taking it up a notch. So as we said in the last class, we have parentheses. Oh, let me put on my highlighter. Then we multiply and divide as we see them. They're the same level. So whatever comes first is what we do first. And then we add or subtract. Remember that the key to our success is rewrite, rewrite, rewrite. Do not try and do it all in one step. You will make mistakes because you're going to miss things. All right, 2 plus 7 in our parentheses is 9. Once I solve it, I can drop away my parentheses. 9 times 2 is 18. Rewrite. 18 minus 4 is 14. 14 is our final answer. Next one, starting with our parentheses. 21 minus 8 is 13. Once I've solved, I can drop my parentheses away. Going to the back, 9 times 1 is 9. 13 plus 9 is 22. Parentheses, 5 minus 3 is 2. I can drop those parentheses away once I've used them. 10 times 5 is 50. 50 plus 2 is 52. Parentheses, 10 minus 8 is 2. Rewrite. 7 times 3 is 21. Rewrite. 21 plus 2 is 23. 2 more. Parentheses, 15 minus 2 is 13. Rewrite. Multiply or divide. 2 times 6 is 12. Rewrite. 13 plus 12 is 25. Last one for this page, 11 take away 3 is 8. Rewrite, multiply or divide. 5 times 5 is 25. 8 plus 25 gives us 33. That is the end of page 2, level 2. If you have any questions, as always, bring them with you to class. Here comes page 3, level 3. Now this page does not have parentheses, but it does have an extra step. So these are longer equations. We're focusing on multiplying and dividing, adding and subtracting as we see them in the problem. So first I look for multiply and divide. Here I have 14 divided by 7. That's 2. Rewrite. 2 plus 9 is 11. Rewrite. 11 take away 7 is 4. This one I have a division and a multiplication. I do them in the order from front to back. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 2 times 4 is 8. The only piece I haven't used is my addition sign. 8 plus 5 is 13. We have one multiplication here. 8 and 4 is 32. Rewrite, moving forward. 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 plus 32 is 34. We have one division in the middle. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Rewrite, 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. We have a division in the middle here. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Rewrite. 4 take away 2 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. We have a double here. We have a divide and a multiply. Do them in the order that you see them. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 9 times 3 is 27. Add them. Answers 29. That is the end of page 3. We're going to move on to page 4. If at any time you have questions, please bring them with you to class. All right, kiddos, welcome to level 4, where we have parentheses. We will multiply and divide as we see them. We will add and subtract as we see them. We start with what is inside the parentheses first. So in my parentheses, I have 15 plus 19 is 34. Because I am not done, my parentheses come down. 34 minus 6 is 28. Now I can drop them. I'm done. 28 divided by 7 is 4. That's my final. Parentheses first. 6 minus 2 is 4. Rewrite. We have two multiplication sets. Do them one at a time. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. One step at a time. 13 take away 6 is 7. I'm done. I drop my parentheses. I multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. I add 14 plus 5 is 19. All right, parentheses. 12 plus 19 is 31. I'm not done. They come with me. 31 take away 3 is 28. I drop them. Last step, 28 divided by 7 is 4. That's my final. Parentheses, 12 minus 4 is 8. Rewrite. Division and multiplication are next. I pop to the back. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Rewrite. 8 plus 4 is 12. Last one on this page. 10 take away 7 is 3. Rewrite. I multiply. 5 times 3 is 15. I add 15 plus 3 is 18. That is the end of page 4. Remember that each page gets more difficult. So if you get to a point where you feel like you are not ready for that level, your brain is not ready and open to it, feel free to stop. And with that, we're entering the coconut zone. My friends, we have a level 5 coconut. This includes parentheses, multiply and divide, add and subtract with extra parts to the problem. If you did not feel ready for this, that is okay. That is why we have the coconut warning on this. These are coconut questions. If you're ready, hang tight, because here we go. This time in our parentheses, we have more than one step. I have to multiply before I add, even in the parentheses. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 add 6. I'm not done. Keep the parentheses. 8 plus 6 is 14. 6 plus 14 is 20. 20 minus 4 is 16. Coconut, complete. 2 sets of parentheses. I can do either set. It does not matter as long as I complete them before moving on. 10 plus 4 is 14. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 14 plus 9 is 28. Coconut number 3. 8 plus 20 is 28. Rewrite. 28 minus 4 is 24. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Next one, 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 plus 2 is 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. We didn't need these. Sorry, have it. Wouldn't make it wrong, but we didn't need them, so I want to stay consistent. 2 more coconuts. 15 plus 4 is 19. Rewrite. Divide. 10 divided by 2, or divided by 5 is 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 19 plus 9 is 28. Last coconut. 14 minus 2 is 12. 14 minus 13 is 1. Rewrite. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 plus 20 is 32. That brings us to the end of our practice for this week. Please bring any questions with you to class. Have a good weekend, math.